Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone privacy and security settings. In this video, I will show you how to stop app from tracking you on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. Quite a lot number of people are not aware of this because there are a lot of apps that you mistakenly or intentionally install on your Android phone, and some of the app here, they have access to some of vital information about you, such as your location, camera, etc., and the messages they are keeping tracking on you. How can you revoke dangerous app from tracking you and stop any app from having access to your location on your Android phone? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. So go ahead and open up settings right here. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to privacy. So go ahead and open privacy. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to app permissions. Go ahead and click on app permissions. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to location. Click on location, just like so. It's going to load up right here. Here, you have every app on your phone that are tracking your location. However, you have allow all the time, you have allow only while in use, and then when you scroll down right here, you have not allow, which simply means that those ones that we are not allowed are the apps that do not have access to your real-time location as far as this is concerned under the location and privacy settings on your Android phone. Now, if you find out that there are some of app right here that are having access to your location and of which the app look somehow to you, you do not recognize some of the app, or you don't want to give your location access to those apps, what you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on the app and then remove them from having access to your privacy and location, just like so. So I'm going to use an app as an example right here. Like for instance, this particular app right here. So click on the app, then you have allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, don't allow. Just go ahead and click on don't allow. Once you click on don't allow, you can go back right here, and then you find out that the app is no longer right here. You can review and revoke as many as possible apps that you do no longer trust right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Bing right here, scroll down right here, and make sure I do not allow right here, just like so. Then we are back. It's that simple. Whatever app you revoke from having access to your location right here is going to be found under do not allow right here. You can see them right here. However, you can also work on allow all the time, which simply means that allow all the time means that when you open the app, what allow, then you can also work on allow all the time. Under the allow all the time, you can have as many as possible app in these sections right here. What this simply means is that this app here having access to your real-time location, whether you open the app, you turn off your phone, or whether you open it or you do not open your phone, they are having a real-time access to your location. If you want to revoke them from having access to your location, like for instance, click on it, and I'm using Telegram as an example. You have allow all the time. You can either use it, you can give them a permission to your location only while using the app, or ask every time, or do not allow. Just turn off use the precise location, and with that, Telegram will stop tracking you and everything you do on all your activities on your Android phone. It's that simple. You can review and revoke as many as possible apps that are having tracking on you on your Android phone. Let's go back to the permission manager section. Then you can review some other apps that are having access to your information, like calendar, call logs, camera, contacts. So if you want to check on some of the apps that are having access to your call log, go ahead and click on call log. Then here you have all apps that are having access to your call log right here. Ordinarily, if you want to, just like what you see right here. So if you find out that there are some of them that we are not fully knowledgeable to you, you do not know much about the app, you can click on the app and switch to don't allow. And with that, they will stop tracking your calls as far as your Android phone is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about privacy and security settings on Android phone like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.